Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed. A very good morning to you all. So guys, you guys are able to see. I come here. I come. I have come in the field to play football. So you guys are able to see there are a number of players in the field. They have come here to play football. So I come here every single day to practice English, to speak English. So I don't feel nervous, I don't feel shy. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Okay, I love to make mistake because every mistake makes us better. Every mistake is a new opportunity to learn something new. So you guys are able to see I come here. I come in the field. I have come in the field. There is a huge Haor. The water of the Haor is neat and clean. The environment is so pleasant. It makes me feel relaxed, delightful, cheerful as well. So you guys are able to see I am somewhere at, or I am near Haor. The water is really crystal clear, neat and clean, and the green field really amazing. And apart from that, there are a number of players in the field. They have come here to play football. After some time they will start game. So in the meantime, I'm going to practice speaking. So I come here every single day and I practice every single day because practice makes a person perfect. Practice makes us better. We need confidence. We need not to be perfect. We don't need to be perfect. We need confidence because confidence is more significant than perfection. So there is no way to be fluent in English. There is no shortcut. There is no way to be fluent speaker in English. Okay, so we have to be confident. We need confidence. Okay, so there is no way. So every single video we make minimum 30 sentences. So today is not different. So guys, let's get started to make 30 sentences. Okay, so first sentence. I'm walking along. Okay, I'm walking along the road and enjoy the fresh air. Of course, this is I'm walking along the road and enjoy the fresh air. The peaceful environment makes me feel happy and relaxed. The peaceful environment makes me feel happy and relaxed. Okay, so enjoy the beauty. I can see the beautiful Haor and green fields around me. So all you guys already been seen. You can see the beautiful Haor and green fields around me. Every morning gives me a new opportunity to improve myself. I am practicing English because I want to speak confidently. Of course, I come here every single day and I speak every single day. I come here, I would like to speak with confidence. Okay, so I come here to practice English and I would like to be confident. I would like to be confident speaker, right? So I'm practicing English because I want to speak confidently. I know that practice is the key to success. Industry is the key to success. So I know that practice is the key to success. I may I may make mistakes, but I will never give up. Okay. I make mistakes, I will make mistakes, I will never give up. So I have to be confident. So you should not give up your hope. Okay. Don't lose your hope. You need confidence. Okay. Every mistake teaches us something new. I am become better day by day. So you guys are not different. You guys will be better day after day. I will speak English without being afraid of making mistakes. I believe in myself and my ability to learn. Okay, so you guys should believe in yourself and you are able to learn, you are able to speak fluently. Okay. So you have ability to speak, learn, speak English. So there are a number of players. They are calling to go there and play football. So they are waiting for me. So you guys are able to see. So I believe in myself and my ability to learn. My English does not have to be perfect. It just has to improve. I will practice speaking English every single day. The more I speak, the more confident I become. I am using this beautiful morning build a better future. The fresh morning air gives me positive energy. I am grateful for this beautiful nature around me. I can hear the birds singing and it makes charming, it makes me delightful. I will stay focused on my goal and keep moving forward. So the game will start after some time. Just have a look. Okay, they are waiting for me. I know success does not come in one day. Small efforts every day can create big change. I am not competing with anyone. I am competing with myself. So guys, don't compete anyone. Compete yourself. Compete yourself. Okay. Competing with yourself. My goal is to become a confident speaker. Okay, confident English speaker. I will keep learning even when it feels difficult. Okay, so we have to keep learning even when it feels difficult. Okay, so we should not lose our hope. I will turn my weakness into strengths. I will use every free moment to practice English. One day I will speak English naturally and confidently. I am proud of myself because I am talking action today. This is my journey and I will never stop improve myself. So we should not stop. So we should not give up hope. We have to be confident. We need confidence. We need to be confident. Okay, so there is no way. So the game is start now. So we have to practice every single day. Inshallah, one day we will be able to speak with confidence. So every single day, if we practice every single day, we'll be able to speak English fluently one day, as well as we can develop gradually. So guys, now today the game has started, so I have to end my video. So last of all, I'd like to say, as I always say, learn English step by step, speak with confidence. So no more today, see you some other time. Stay well, stay safe. Till then, assalamu alaikum.